smelling sweet. Why you eat it? Let's use the time lapse. You're a jackass. Everybody, talk to my friend, right?
Hi guys, so today I'm about to go for my birthday photo shoot and you guys will get ready with me, come along with me to do my birthday photo shoot. And there's this thing that's just stressing me out on YouTube because I'm trying to prepare my intro for the YouTube and they're just flagging it copyright all the time. There's something with YouTube and flagging your videos copyright because of the songs that I use in the videos. And I don't know, many times I've tried, I've changed so many background sounds and I don't know, I'm even tired. I'm already tired because it's not making me to just like make my videos and in the intro I just write my name and just let it be, because now I'm just stressed out. You can't even edit videos. When you're editing videos now, you're just being careful about the songs you use so that you don't use songs that YouTube will flag as copyright, and it's stressful. So guys will come with me.
Smelling sweet. Why you eat it? See this one? It's not fun. Everybody's like this. You're a jackass. Everybody, talk to my friend, right? Everybody. There's only that all these are posting online.
My brand price is now 7 million. of my video. Send me back. I'll post it all and this soon for my video. So you guys, that's the end of my shoot for today. I'm so tired. Let me clean my makeup. Bye bye, you guys. This guy's a fool.